I've been seeing the baggy pants all over the slopes lately, and I knew that I had to get some. Right here, I have these super baggy pants from High Experience. What's up, guys? My name is TJ, and I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. My waist size is about 33 to 34, and I ended up getting the size large in these. I do think they fit pretty good. They are a tad snug, so I think that you could probably go up to the XL and you'd be fine, but these still fit good, and I definitely snowboard in them because they're gonna be very comfortable. Now guys, these have a 30,000 waterproof grade and a 25,000 breathability index. That is a perfect mixture to make you very comfortable in the snow and cold. I got the pants here and I'm about to dump a glass of water and test out the waterproofing. All right, that looks pretty good. Look at that. Shake it up. After I shake it out, it's like nothing ever happened. So check out how baggy these are. And I'm gonna put my boots on in just a moment just so you can see what it looks like. But I will say that these do not actually even go over my feet. I was running up and down my stairs and they aren't dragging or anything like that. So they're just super baggy. If you're wondering what this is gonna be their tag on here. And it's like a rubberized material. I like how they have it here. It's just their tag whenever they ship the clothes, but I kind of like it because it's kind of steezy. So I might keep it. We have a nice buckle right here, so we can't snap that on and off, and it's got a little bit of a pull tie, so that can hang down, give you a little bit more steeze. We also are gonna have the button right here, and this is gonna be like the strap up here up top, so the snow can't get in. It actually is connected right there. So that'll just keep the snow out of your pants and everything, which that's really good. And these pants also are lined with like some fur material. So honestly, I don't even think you need to wear anything underneath this. It is gonna be so comfortable. And on the insides of the pants, we actually got vents on both sides, so you can open this up and you can air out, staying nice and cool. We're also gonna get an actual belt loop too, so you can throw an actual belt on here if these are hanging down a little bit too much. This has nice elastic here, and that's why I said that I could go up a size, but with this elastic, it stretches out to what I need. We're gonna have a button on the front. There's also gonna be a little bit of Velcro too, so keep that on. Regular zipper pockets on the side with a nice little string where you can grip it and pull. And then we're gonna have two cargo pockets that are really deep. And these are just buttons. There's gonna be no zippers on these, and they just look super steezy. I love these pants. They are huge. Now I'm gonna throw some boots on and we're gonna see what this looks like. We're gonna get an elastic that goes over the boot first, keeps the snow out, and that's gonna be fully connected, so you're not gonna get snow up your pants. And then we also are gonna get a pull tie on the bottom, which I do like. So I'll show you that in just a minute, but we'll first take a look at this. These look so good. I've been seeing the baggy pants all over the slopes lately, and I knew that I had to get some. Everybody is starting to wear these, and you're gonna look so good on the slopes in these. They look really good from the side, also look good from the back. I love the color too. This is gonna be the khaki look, and I also have a jacket to match. So if you wanna match up the whole set, this is gonna be High Experience's jacket as well. This thing is really nice, and it's a perfect match. They don't drag whatsoever. But you can tighten these up. It's actually gonna have, the lock on here is gonna be rubberized, so it's gonna be nice and easy to actually grab. Then you can just shove that right in there. All right, so that is with the bottoms of these pulled tight to make sure that no snow is gonna come up in your pants. There's also that elastic, so there's definitely not any snow gonna come on your pants. But this just is another look. So if you like that elastic look on the bottom, this is gonna be for you. And I do like how this has that option as well. So you can just wear these kind of however you want. But I am so excited for this kit. This looks amazing. These pants feel great, and they also have an amazing waterproof and breathability. I feel really comfortable in there, and I got a ton of movement in here. So I'm definitely gonna have a lot of room to be throwing some tricks on my snowboard this winter. I give these a 10 out of 10. It's such a great price for the pant you get. Honestly, I highly recommend this company, and definitely these pants. Add these to your cart. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.